Do you ever use the leg extension machine when you're working out at the gym? There are a lot of misconceptions and misunderstandings about how to use the leg extension. Check out these tips to make sure you're able to maximize the effectiveness of this machine, as well as make sure your body stays safe.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. For this month, we've been talking all about the knee extension machine. Today, we're going to be talking about where should you position the input pad or the shin pad on your shin. Oftentimes, we don't really know, should we put it close to our ankle or close to our knee? We're going to be talking about what is a good thought process when deciding where to place the shin pad.
So the input pad on the knee extension machine is this front pad here, okay? And what a lot of people default to is putting it as low as it can go and having it resting on the very top of their foot or right across their ankles. And what we're gonna recommend that you do is you actually put it as high as not necessarily it can go, but as high as you can comfortably tolerate. So you want the pad pushing into your shins, which is the front of your lower leg, that bone going across the front of your lower leg, your tibia. And as you can see with me, this pad is darn near as high as it can go, okay? For some people, you might not want it as high. Comfort is gonna be a big thing for this, but our recommendation is bring it up as high as you can while still being comfortable while you're doing the exercise.
Next time you're at the gym doing the knee extension, try out this tip to play with where you're going to put the input or shin pad.